Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix your INFINIX Note 30 VIP not charging. First, test the cable. I have a cable plugged in that I know isn't working. As you can see, it's in but not charging. So swap your cables and see if that works. Next, use a soft brush to clean the USB-C port. Here I have a soft brush, and also a bigger soft brush. Rotate your phone and try to get inside the port. There's a little bit of dust, so we can get it out. I'll put it aside and clean it afterwards, but right now we're focused on the USB-C port. I can't see anything else even when trying to get inside. There's nothing. That means our charging port is finally clean. Next, swap the cable. I have a cable that should work for this phone. Plug it in and see. As you can see, we got supercharged, so it's working. If that didn't help, restart your phone by pressing and holding the power button. Restart and tap again to confirm. Now it's restarting. If it's still not working after the restart, I recommend going to an authorized device support center and telling them your phone isn't charging. You can also update your software, but we'll get back to that once the phone restarts. It's finally done. Go to Settings, then System Update. Click Online Update, and as you can see, my system is up to date. If yours isn't, I recommend updating because it's very important. That's it for the video. It's Cafe. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.